I lost the unboxing part of this video when my SD card crashed. But the figure comes with a figure stand, which I also misplaced. This stand holder, and of course the figure. There's articulation in these little arm things. So 2 points, or well, actually 3 points of articulation. Also, what's missing is the Sentinel beam, which attaches here. Hopefully I can find it to complete this video. I thought this made a cool enemy drone for my g.i.joes. Nicely detailed. Straight from the video game. These guys are always a pain in the butt in the video game. I thought I'd make a cool little drone. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.